Hey, let me tell you something real for a second. The first time you sit down with the EVO-X2, you instantly know who this is for. It's for you if you've reached that quiet point where you're tired of nudging laggy systems along, tired of explaining away slowdowns, and tired of pretending your current setup is good enough. Before anything else, do yourself a favor and check the current price and availability. This kind of hardware doesn't stay stable in stock for long, and you'll feel it later if you wait too long. You know that moment when your old machine hesitates, fans ramp up, and you catch yourself thinking, I probably need to upgrade soon? That moment kept hitting you more often than you wanted to admit. Maybe it was during a heavy multitasking day, or while rendering, or when you tried a game and everything felt just a half step behind. You didn't need benchmarks to tell you. You felt it. Switching to this changes the tone of your day. There's a calm confidence that sets in when everything responds instantly. Apps open without hesitation. Tasks stack on top of each other without friction. You stop managing your computer and start trusting it. That mental relief alone feels like an upgrade you should have done earlier. Picture your real routine now. You're editing with multiple windows open, running background tools, maybe gaming later at night, maybe pushing creative work during the day, maybe driving multiple displays at once without thinking twice. The experience isn't loud or flashy. It's smooth, controlled, and almost addictive. Once you feel this level of performance, going back feels impossible. Don't wait around for weird price jumps or sudden stock gaps. This is one of those products that quietly disappears when demand catches up. You might wonder if something this compact can really replace a full-sized setup. That doubt fades fast. The surprise isn't just how powerful it is, but how composed it stays under pressure. It doesn't feel like it's struggling. It feels like it was built for this exact workload. There's also an unexpected benefit you don't realize until weeks in. Your desk feels cleaner, your space feels intentional, and you feel more focused. Owning something this refined changes how you approach your work and play. You feel different when you own something built on this level. You get speed that never interrupts your flow. You get confidence instead of compromise. You get silence where noise used to live. You get headroom for whatever you grow into. You get a setup that finally feels complete. Sure, it's not the cheapest option out there. And yes, you'll want a good monitor to truly appreciate what it can do. But at some point, you stop comparing and realize you're already mentally living with it. Every time you consider something weaker, you circle right back here. Don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you postpone and regret later when prices shift or stock dries up. Check the availability, trust the instinct that brought you here, and choose the system that finally matches the level you know you're operating at now.